Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify create a tutoring app using Thunkable and Firebase. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Thunkable website. Create a new account or log in to your existing account. Once logged in, click on the Create New App button. Name your project something relevant, like Tutoring App. Select the layout you prefer for your app interface. Drag and drop components from the left sidebar to the screen. Add a text input component for users to enter their names. Include a text input for email addresses. Drag in a button component, labeling it as Sign Up. Next, add a label to display any error messages. Now, let's set up Firebase. Open a new tab and go to the Firebase website. Log in or create a Firebase account if necessary. Click on Add Project to launch a new project. Follow the prompts to name your project and click Continue. Ensure Google Analytics is disabled for this project and click Create Project. Once your project is ready, click Continue. On the left sidebar, select Real-Time Database. Click on Create Database to set it up. Choose Start in Test Mode to allow unrestricted access for development. Once your database is created, navigate to the Rules tab. Change the rules to allow read and write access for authenticated users. Make sure to save the changes. Next, go back to the Thunkable workspace. Under the Blocks tab, click on the button component you added earlier. Drag out a When button click block. From the Firebase section, choose Create User. Connect this block to the button click event. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.